Hi, it's Meryl from Meryl's Magic Math, and today I want to show you how to set up an account with Zoom. That is the video conferencing tool that I use to do online tutoring, so we want to get you started, signed up so we can get started with tutoring. So first I'm going to share my screen, and I'll just open the internet browser and go to zoom.us. So you want to focus on the blue square sign up, it's free. And then you will enter your email address. Okay, so welcome. Now you need to confirm your email or confirm this account in your email. And so here we go, Zoom activation. And really the main thing you need to focus on is activating your account. They need some more information. I'll type in my name and they want a password. You can look at the terms of service. I'm gonna skip this step because I'll obviously be here. So at this point, you will have your own personal meeting URL. You can kind of start a meeting now. You can kind of test the different features of Zoom. But once you get set up, I will send you an email and it will have a meeting URL. So your meeting URL is this 901237031. Each of my students have their own meeting URL, and that's kind of how you will get started. Set up with your Zoom account, I will send you an email with our scheduled first session. It'll look something like this. Like, hi there, Meryl has invited you to a scheduled Zoom meeting. The topic will probably be your name, and then it'll also say the time, time zone, and then you can either copy this URL, just click directly on that and it'll open whenever that scheduled time is to start. Or if you go into Zoom, then the home option would be to join, and it'll ask you what the meeting ID is. So that's the other way. You can kind of just type in this number or copy and paste that number into the join code. And that is the other option for joining the meeting. And then we can get started with tutoring. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at merylsmagicmath@gmail.com. I look forward to working with you.